The H&M HM-T Angle Master automatic push-fed crosscut saw is a high-precision, high-efficiency solution for cutting straight and angled timber components with absolute accuracy. This fully automatic upstroke crosscut saw is designed for specialist applications across timber frame housing, decking, garden products and more. With a 0.1mm positioning accuracy, the HM-T is capable of precise angled cuts up to 60 degrees. Equipped with a 550mm saw blade and 7.5 horsepower motor, it's ideal for complex joinery and angled components in a wide range of timber sizes. The industrial touchscreen controller and intuitive software allow operators to create, store or import cutting lists directly and even optimise them on site. Upgrades such as CNC height control, centerline or compound cutting axis, and expanded cutting capacities are ideal for roof truss and bespoke timber components. Contact our JJ Smith specialist to see the HM-T in action and take your production to the next level.